So my babushka said, my babushka said, give it to you. Friday, rant, mukbang, all together, live. Let's get it started. Hey, Dons and Divas, Frugal Diva, Frugal Diva, what? Frugal Diva. Southern Charities Bakery, Southern Charities Bakery. Yes, Dons and Divas. Today is Friday, and it is time for another Frugal Diva Rant. But we're doing 2 videos in one. So, mukbang, 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 bang, mukbang, mukbang. Yes, 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 yes. So, like I said, I decided to do 2 videos in one. So this will be in my Friday rant playlist. It will be up today. But also it will be in my mukbang playlist for tomorrow. So 2 videos in one, doing them today. Yes, yes, yes. So let's get started. So here we have salsa water from my local Stop and Shop, and it is lemon. I do have some inside of this glass with a little bit of strawberries and blueberries. I also have, now inside of here, I have Simply Lemon, Limeade, Simply Limeade. I also have strawberries, mangoes, blueberries, and raspberries in here. I have some ice also. Also, I have some salsa water in here. And I have, to top it off, because we getting little, everybody in the club get tipsy. Everybody in the club get tipsy. We do have some Smirnoff, Frugal Smirnoff. So that's also in here. Yes, I made my own happy hour drink. Yes, my own happy hour drink. Okay. Put my little straw in. Take a sip. Yes. For dessert, we have For dessert, we do have Junior's cheesecake. And this is another little fella. This is the raspberry swirl cheesecake. We'll be having this for dessert. Oh, yes. Yes, we'll definitely be having that for desserts. We're going to put that over here to the side. Now we have, today is Friday. So normally I do not eat meat on Friday. So we have miso soup. I love miso soup. I did not get down there early enough to catch the lunch special, because the lunch special comes with the miso soup. But that's okay. And miso soup has tofu in it. And seaweed. And I see little onion. It's either onions or I don't know. What's the other? Right now, I'm getting brain fart. Scallions? Scallions. I think it's scallions. What's scallions? I think it's scallions. Anyway. I did not get the really big one like I got last time because, like, I couldn't eat all that. So I got the smaller one. And this is for the sushi. Of course, I got California rolls. As I told y'all before, I love California rolls. And then I have salad. The salad has lettuce, tomatoes, cucumber, and shredded carrot. Yes. Can y'all see that? And these are the California rolls. This is the salad. And then I got my because I liked it last time, so now I'm hooked on it. I got the Tokyo fried chicken over a bed of rice. And this is the salad dressing for the salad, which is like a mustard vinaigrette. And of course, some soy sauce. And of course, the thing that I don't like, chopsticks. That's not the thing I don't like. The thing I don't like, and I don't want to put it on my chopstick, which is the wasabi. I don't like the wasabi. Wasabi is entirely too hot for me. Too hot for TV. And we have the ginger. Yes, pickled ginger. I love the pickled ginger. You know what I should do? I should see if I could ask them to have a little bit more, put a little bit more pickled ginger and just leave off the wasabi because I don't eat it anyway. And I like the pickled ginger. And I love my California rolls because in my California rolls, we have the crab meat, the avocado, and the cucumbers. Oh my gosh, so good. I did pray before the meal like I normally do. Oh my gosh. So, how was your, am I? Is this the right one? Yeah. How was your day? Why can't I pick this up? Am I already tipsy? Am I already tipsy? So, let's get into the rant. So our this rant is about take a bite and a chew of chicken before I say. This rant is about people doing too much. And let's start off with the main person doing too much. That would be the new person in the Oval Office. Okay? Doing too much. First off, if you haven't heard, okay, the executive office, the executive branch, has fired another one. Okay? fired another one. And this time it's the head of the FBI. And that, I mean, the administration is saying that Donald Trump was planning on firing, like he was thinking about it, planning on firing him from the door when he got into office. He's already been thinking about. But then they said something else while he got fired, and I mean, it's just a whole lot going on. I mean, for this time that Trump has been in office, he's been doing nothing but backtracking. He's just backtracking all the time. He says one thing, he does another, then he does this, and he gets his Twitter fingers on, though. He is Twitter gangster. He Twitter gangster because he gets his Twitter fingers on. He was on Twitter, giving subliminals on Twitter. It's ridiculous. Okay, I want to get the man's name. I don't know why my thing is doing this. Oh gosh, come on, go back. I want to get his name. I really want to get his name. Proper. Okay, there you go. I want to get his name proper because, I mean, really. Every time he turn around, Donald is playing his trump card. I mean, like, it don't even make no sense. It don't make no sense. He always talking about it's fake news and all kinds of craziness. I mean, he just always playing his trump card. Always. Why is this in a different language? I'm getting a whole bunch of stuff in a different language. Okay, something's wrong. I'm getting stuff in Russian. Okay? Yes. So, yeah, I'm getting stuff in Russian. I didn't know what that was about. Is his name Comey? Comey? Oh, yeah. Trump tweets on Comey firing. Yes, it's Comey. James Comey, FBI director, is fired by Trump. Just ridiculous. And then they're trying to say, the other side, Comey's side is trying to say that he believes that he got fired because he was trying to dig deeper into the issue of Russia having something to do with the election and things of that nature. And big Putin ain't saying dilly squat. They asked Putin something and he went on to say some other some around the way stuff. He stayed on topic, but he didn't answer that question. They asked Putin, how he feel about that, firing and all that good stuff. Oh, baby. He answered the question, but he didn't answer the question. He said something along the lines of, if the administration feels that something is not, basically like something is amiss, then they have all right to handle the situation how they see fit. So, baby, he said, I'm not. I think they was trying to come after me. They was trying to come for me. So, Pooh said, Pooh said, they were trying to come for me, so I don't, he got fired. Oh well, basically. I don't got no love lost for him because he was coming for me. So, now, let's get off of that. Let's get on other people doing too much. Let's get on these celebrities that's doing too much. Let's start out with Chili. Let's start out with Chili. If you don't know who Chili is from the group TLC. Okay, she's from the group TLC. Chili Left Eye. Well, I can't think of the first person. Why I can't think of her name? T-Bars. Oh my God. T-Bars, I am so sorry. Because I think you have such a beautiful spirit. Really, I do. I think you have such a beautiful spirit. And I don't know why I couldn't remember your name. I know why. When I'm talking about a shady character, and then I'm about to say something about a beautiful spirit, I guess it clashes. My spirit won't allow me to put a beautiful spirit and a fronting person together. All lives matter. Right, Chili? All lives matter. I don't know why people keep saying that. We already know that all lives matter. What we don't know is black lives. No, I won't say what we don't know because I know. I know, and I know that y'all Dons and Divas. I know y'all know. But some people don't understand that black lives matter. Meaning, some people don't understand that minority lives matter. You know? We all understand that all lives matter. But some people have problems with equating all lives to minority black lives. Some people have problems with equating all lives with gay and lesbian and transgender and bisexual and queer lives mattering. That's where the problem's coming in at. We understand, as a whole, all lives matter. But when we break down the all lives, there are some lives that seem to not matter as much as others. And that's where the problem is coming in, Chili. That's where the problem is coming in at. So when people, especially black people, come out and say, all lives matter, it puts a B in some people's bonnets. Because already know that when it comes to all lives mattering, that black lives seem to not be encompassed into that all lives. It seems like even though we're saying the word all lives, it is actually only encompassing a certain sector of the population. That's where the problem is coming in at. We're saying the blanketed all lives matter, but in all reality, we know, everyone knows that there's a certain sector within the all lives. So that is the reason why people have coined the phrase Black Lives Matter, why they have the Black Lives Matter movement. Because this is not being said. Even though we're saying all lives don't really mean all lives. So let's stop it. Let's stop with that. Because we're not going to make a profit with that. Okay? If it don't make sense, it can't possibly make dollars. We're not going to make a profit with that one. Okay? We're not. So, that's where the problem is coming in at. So, for you to get up here and say that all lives matter, we already know that. We know that all lives are supposed to matter. But do all lives really matter equally? That's where the problem is at. We know that all lives matter. But do all lives really matter equally? Across the board, equally? You know, I know, we all know that that is not true. All lives do not matter equally. Okay? Let me just give you an example. Michael Vick got how many years? I think like 8 years for harming or putting dogs in harm's way. And time again, our black men are being killed in the streets with no reparations, with no justice, because their killers aren't spending no time in jail, and Michael Vick is spent 8 years for putting a dog in harm's way or putting dogs in harm's way. Now, I'm not sitting here saying that people should harm dogs or harm cats or harm any or harm any animal maliciously or for profit. You know, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that. Like, okay, let me take back for profit, because, you know, I'm sitting here eating chicken right now, and so this chicken was harmed for me to eat, and somebody made a profit off of that. True. So let me backtrack on it. What I mean is that I'm not saying to harm anybody or any animal just for the sake of harming them. You know? I'm not saying that. Because I think that was dead wrong, you know, what Michael Vick did. But what I am saying is I'm trying to equate the all lives matter to the fact that we got to keep it funky and real. Black lives don't even matter as much as a dog's life. That's sad. That is really, really sad. Come on. It's sad. It's wrong and it's sad. And can't nobody sit here and try to say or make it right. Because it's not. It's not right. It's not right at all. So, Chili, you doing too much. I'm going to say it. If nobody else told you today, tomorrow, next week, I'm going to tell you. You're doing too much. You're doing entirely too much. And since we want to go there, let's go there. Let's go there. everybody and their mama know that the amount that y'all asked for everybody and their mama know that the amount that y'all asked for in that GoFundMe was not going to make no album. Let's keep that funky. Okay? We all know it wasn't going to make no album. Now, I didn't donate to it. Because like I said, if it don't make sense, it can't possibly make dollars. So, I already knew. I'm looking at the numbers. Okay? You can crunch the numbers and see that there's no way possible that you was going to be able to make an album with the amount that you were asking for. Let's keep it funky. Okay? So instead of running around here talking about all lives matter, as if the minorities don't know that. It's the majority that got to get it in their head. You need to be thinking about why you trying to scam people. With that GoFundMe for an album. Come on. We all know it wasn't enough money. Pissed me off. Next person, doing too much. Steve Harvey. Steve Harvey. Let me just say this. As a person, I think you're... Okay, put it like this. On the outside, me on the outside looking in, not truly, completely understanding the whole dynamics of what you got going on, I'm just going to say that when a woman was with you, when you ain't had diddly squat, just morally, you got to make sure that she have. Simple as that. Simple as that. Just off of that alone. And vice versa. I say vice versa to any woman. If a man was with you when you ain't have nothing, okay, and now you have, and y'all didn't have the case may be, and you know y'all being together is just not working out for y'all, how the case may be, that's okay. But morally, you still need to make sure that they good. Just your conscience should say that. Should tell you that. This person was with me when I didn't have a pot to piss in and a window to throw it out. When I was scraping by on Oozing News. And not like Oozing News is a bad thing because I still eat Oozing News. But I'm just saying. Y'all get what I'm saying. When all I could afford was Vienna sausages. And sardines and crackers. Okay? When you was there, and stuck it out with me, I can't see myself turning my back on you when I succeed. I just can't. I'm going to leave that at that. I'm not going to talk nothing about your new wife or old wife or anything like that. I'm going to just leave it at that. You're doing too much. You're doing too much. Next. I want to know why we have some of these stars out here I don't even call them stars. Those the only real stars I know are in the sky. Anyway, some of these celebrities out here, y'all have money. Why y'all fronting for the gram? Why y'all fronting for the gram? Bow Wow. Why is your self-esteem low? Why? I don't know exactly what's going on in your life, but you have to have low self-esteem to need validation from a mound of people you don't know. You post up about the new show that you're doing, you know, with the children of rich people, or hip hop, or whatever the heck they are, whatever the show is. You know, so y'all gonna go through the lives of rich kids, or celebrity kids, or hip hop kids, or whatever the case may be. And you post that you was on a jet, private jet, going from LA to New York or something like that, or going from New York to LA, I don't know. And somebody else caught you on a commercial flight when you supposed to be on a private jet. Because you posting up pictures and you got a nice little car. I don't know if it was a Bentley or what it was, but too much. And then that you know what that prompted me to do? That prompted me to look at other people's stuff. And it made me go, wow. These aren't regular schmegular people like me and you. These are celebrities. And they fronting for the gram. Okay, Michelle? There's no way that bedroom set was yours. Okay, there's no way that bedroom set was yours. When the shadow of the lamp, it was in the same exact, the shadow, I'm not talking about the lamp, I'm talking about the shadow. The shadow of the lamp was in the same exact position, okay, that it was in the furniture company's picture. There was nothing different about your picture compared to the furniture company. Come on. Really? 50 Cent? Did the FBI local task force drug enforcement seize money from you? Because their picture with the money in the buckets and the plastic, the pink the pinkish colored plastic or peach colored plastic bags look exactly the same as your picture. Doing too much. Oh, I'm doing too much. But I caught it. Doing too much. You're doing entirely too much. And you out here, this is what killed me. I can see a regular schmegular person like myself, trying that bull crap. I can see that. Because everybody know that us regular smugglers might not have it like that, obviously. So we front for the gram. I mean, I was not going to do that. Because I don't need validation from nobody but myself, but I'm just saying, front for the gram. But, So I can see that. But y'all are celebrities. Y'all get money. Why you gotta front for the gram? Really? What's her name? What's her name? The Kardashian, Kim Kardashian. She posted a picture talking about she was in Dubai, I believe. With a car or something. And I don't know if it was the car company or a place that does exotic trips or something, a travel agency that does exotic trips. Point blank, it was on another website. That same exact picture. And she posted talking about she was in Dubai. Doing too much. Doing entirely too much. And I can guarantee you, if we had time to sit there and just go through different celebrities' Instagram, baby, the exposure. I mean, being exposed. It would be funny. It would be funny. As we know, I know for a fact, it ain't just those few that I talked about. I know many of them is doing it. And that's fact. Because really, it's really no need to do that. But I guess everybody needs validation. The ginger. That was so good. That was so good. I just didn't really feel for a tomato today. So I ate all of the other parts of the salad except for the tomato. Now I'm going to tear into this. Okay? Always so light and fluffy. And like I told y'all before, the Queen of England loves Junior's of Brooklyn cheesecake. She gets a scent to her. She gets like, who knows, like 50 of them sent to England for her birthday. Ooh, this is so good. Save that little piece. Dons and Divas. Woo! That was so good. In any case, Dons and Divas, have a frugal diva day. Dons and Divas, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. If you are subscribed, make sure your notification bell is turned on. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment section. And as always, smooches, Dons and Divas.